Now, we're all very excited backstage tonight because we're about to share with you something very special. Our first curtain raiser in Cardiff, in Wales, in fact. Curtain raisers are about something we all feel very passionate about, and that's the inspiring of young people and the involvement of young people in the arts and dance in particular. And I can tell you a little bit more about what a curtain raiser is all about. We have teamed up together with the Millennium Centre and Reborn, which is the charitable education wing of my company, and we've teamed up with two local schools, and I have to read the names. The John Beddoes Secondary School, anyone from there here? Yeah. And the Gladys Street Primary School. And we have worked together with them over the last few months, and more intensively in the last week, to produce an entertainment for you this evening based on our version of Nutcracker.